Hello everyone, I'm Mrs. Piccoline, your child's biology teacher, and I just want to talk a little bit about our class. I know this year looks a little different, but so far it's been great and we're making it work, and it's been really great to see everybody in class. So we do two of my main goals in this class are to really make biology relevant to their lives so that they can apply this not only now but in the future, and also to really work on their critical thinking. I think that's really important to make this valuable. In terms of participation, so students who are in class, we are doing hands-on labs. I just want to clarify that I am wiping everything down in between students and we are no longer working in groups, so labs are being done individually. For students who are working remote, they just have a little lab partner and they watch on the computer, they can collect data, and they can still participate. Otherwise, I take videos of the labs and I send it to them. In terms of days when students are working from home, they do have independent work they should be doing, and all that will be listed under Canvas. I'll go through where they can find that or where you can find it if you need to help them. And just a reminder that the afternoon classes, so far we've had great attendance, but it is still school. Please, try not to schedule appointments during this time, or even students who have sports. I keep them the whole time. We use that time efficiently and we collaborate, and we're still doing projects and learning during that time. So that is still part of school. In terms of assignments, those can be found on Canvas. I'll go through that. And in terms of grades, that would be Genesis. So grades, the G in grades for Genesis. And if you do have any questions going forward, my email is just mpiccoline@pascac.org. I just popped that in right now. So if we go to Canvas, you can find my homepage here. Everything is under modules. And what they can see is that my lesson plans are listed by week. And they typically have to watch a video about some notes. They have to do some independent, practice. This week, this was our lab. This was our virtual afternoon class. In order to submit something, they just click on it, and they have a big blue submit button where they would submit their lab when they're done. Like I said, Genesis is where they check their grades, and then these are our Google Meet links for when we meet in the afternoon. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Here's just a few things that we're going to be covering this year. We've already done our Oreo lab to compare if double stuffed Oreos are really double the stuff, but a few other things we'll cover throughout the year is what are genetically modified organisms, why are bacteria evolving so quickly and making us sick, what are the causes of cancer and what genes are involved, is DNA my destiny, why do I sometimes get sore after I exercise, can algae be used as an alternative energy source, how does the Basilisk lizard walk on water, how can my genetics explain why I'm taller than both of my parents? And lastly, how do viruses work and why is this coronavirus such a big deal? So we are really going to learn about so many different aspects of science that we see in our everyday life. So please reach out if you have any questions, but I'm looking forward to a really great year. Bye!